Christ for the bride. 对不起的神圣。You all may take a seat. Welcome to this day of celebration. It's great to have all of you here to witness the union of Kwv and Niam as husband and wife before now. Together, we will share in the joys of their wedding, both with the outward celebration of this occasion and with an eternal appreciation for the love that surrounds us. Kwv and Niam, you two have the opportunity to build an amazing life together. You're blessed to share this experience with the loved ones gathered here to support you as you embark on this journey together. May you all remember and cherish this ceremony, for on this day, with love, we will forever bind Kwv and Niam together. Marriage is an ancient human tradition. The personal and social verse that accompany the bonds of marriage have led to its continued endurance and have paved the way for us to be standing here before God, celebrating the union between these two people today. As the Bible reminds us in Corinthians, love is patient, love is kind, love does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it is not rude, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in pure evil, but rejoices in truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always perseveres. Love never fails. As we celebrate this moment of unity today under the eyes of God, it is important that we keep in mind that while this is certainly an occasion of tremendous day, the promises we witness here today are serious and life-altering commitments. As Jesus said, have you not read that he who made them at the beginning made them male and female? He also taught that for this reason a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. So then they are no longer two but one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, let not man separate. We will proceed with the exchange of vows. Kwv and Nina, I will now invite you to publicly speak your commitment to your partner.
Niam. Today, Nina,